If f x y equals to x plus ay to the power of 3, show that a squared times f sub xx equals to f sub yy. So the first step is we need to find the f sub x. To find f sub x, we're going to use general power rules, which is in the form of fx to the power of n. So write down the power, copy down the function, and the power minus 1, then times with f prime x, where we need to differentiate the function f. So now, let us find f sub x. So using the general power rules, we're going to write down the power, 3, copy down the function, x plus ay, and the power minus 1, which is 2. And then we're going to differentiate x plus ay with respect to x. So differentiate x is 1. Differentiate ay with respect to x is 0. So we have 3x plus ay squared. So next we're going to find f sub xx, which is using the general power rules. So write down the power. So the power 3, the power 2 with times 3, which is 6, times with x plus ay, and the power 2 minus 1, which is 1. And we differentiate x plus ay with respect to x, we're going to get 1. So 1 times 6 is 6x plus ay. So next, let's find f sub y. So to find f sub y, we also need to use the general power rules. So write down the power, 3, and copy down x plus ay, and the power minus 1, which is 2. Then now we need to differentiate x plus ay with respect to y. So differentiate x with respect to y is 0 because as a constant, differentiate ay with respect to y is a. So I'm going to write a in the front there. Okay, so now let's differentiate once again fy with respect to y. So we have fyy. So now let's use the general power rules once again. So we have 6a. Then copy down the function x plus ay and the power minus 1, which is 1. Differentiate x plus ay with respect to y, we're going to get another a. And this 6a will times a, which is 6a squared. So show that a squared times fxx equals to fyy. So look at the left hand side. So the left hand side is a squared fxx. So we're going to times our a squared with the fxx. Just now is 6 times x plus ay. So 6 times x plus ay is fxx. So if we times with this a squared, we're going to get 6a squared times x plus ay, which is 6a squared times x plus ay is fyy. So shown. That's it.